When buying a house, there are important issues to consider to ensure you make an informed decision. Evaluate the neighborhood, proximity to essential services like schools, hospitals, markets, and transport. Consider factors such as safety, noise levels, and future development plans. Assess the overall condition of the house, including foundation, stumps, walls, roof, and floors. Look for signs of structural issues, such as cracks or dampness. Check for leaks, water pressure, and age and condition of plumbing. Inspect electrical wiring and circuit breaker box to ensure they are up to code and in good working order. Assess the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Inquire about the age, maintenance history, and efficiency of the system. Is it still under warranty? Consider whether it meets your specific needs and climate requirements. Look for signs of pest problems such as termite damage, rodent droppings, or insect infestations. These issues can lead to significant damage and often costly repairs. Inspect roof for any signs of damage, such as missing shingles, roof tiles, leaks, or sagging. Examine the exterior walls, windows, doors, and gutters to ensure they are in good condition. Check the grading around the house to ensure water flows away from the foundation. Poor drainage can lead to water damage and basement flooding. Inquire about potential environmental hazards in the area, such as flood zones, soil contamination, or proximity to industrial sites. Research local environmental reports or consult relevant authorities. Review rules, regulations, and fees associated with any property, land, or boundary restrictions. Determine if they align with your lifestyle and preferences. Review property's legal documents, including the title deed, survey reports, and any past or current liens. Consider working with a qualified property lawyer or real estate professional to ensure all legal aspects are in order. Assess the need for repairs, renovations, or cosmetic updates. Consider the associated costs and whether you have the time, resources, and willingness to undertake them. Evaluate the price of the house in relation to its condition, location, and comparable properties in the area. Calculate mortgage affordability, property taxes, insurance, and potential future expenses. It's essential to hire a qualified home inspector to conduct a thorough examination of the property. They can provide you with a detailed report highlighting any potential issues and help you make an informed decision.